Hello students, in pronoun section our next types of pronoun is relative pronoun. Here the definition of that pronoun is it introduce a relative clause and join two sentences. Now words like that, who, whom, which, whose, whoever, whichever and whatever are relative pronouns. Now the example of it is I ate everything that she served on my plate. I hit the man who beat you last week. Who and whom. These relative pronouns are used with antecedents which are people or animals. These pronouns cannot be used to refer to non-living things. Means students who और whom का use हम antecedents के साथ करते हैं जिसमें peoples और animals होते हैं और इस pronoun का use हम किसी भी non-living things के लिए नहीं करते. Like who is in nominative case and whom is in executive case. Example, Bruno is the one who chewed up my shoe. Bruno वो है जिसने मेरे शू को चबा लिया. Now which this pronoun is used to refer to non-living things, unnamed animals and ideas. Which का यूज which ऐसा प्रोनाउन है जिसे हम यूज करते हैं नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए या जो अननेम्ड एनिमल्स होते हैं या आइडियाज उनके साथ. नाउ विच इज रिटर्न इन बोथ नॉमिनेटिव केस एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव केस. विच का यूज हम नॉमिनेटिव केस और एग्जीक्यूटिव केस दोनों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट इज दिस इज द हाउस विच आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट. ये वही घर है जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रहा था या कर रही थी. Now that is used. We can use that for anything. That का use हम किसी भी चीज के लिए कर सकते हैं जैसे animals, people and non-living things. It is in both nominative case and accusative case. ये दोनों ही cases में use होता है, nominative case में भी और accusative case में भी. Now example of that is that tree is always laden with sweet smelling flowers. कि ये tree जो है वो हमेशा अच्छी स्मेल वाले फ्लावर्स के साथ भरा होता है. Now the example of here, this one is the exercise. Combine the sentence given in each case using relative pronoun. Example is, that is Mr. Sinha. His son is going to America for higher studies. Now when we combine the sentence with relative pronoun, the sentence become that is Mr. Sinha, whose son is going to America for higher studies. I missed the bus. I travel by it every day. The sentence by using relative pronoun becomes I missed the bus which I travel by it every day. Second, he introduced me to the artist. The artist was from France. Sentence become he introduced me to the artist who was from France. So students, like that you have to complete all these sentences. In second exercise students, there is one question like join these sentences using pronoun that or who. That or who pronoun का use करके हमें sentences को join करना है. Like first one is Charles Dickens wrote Pickwick Papers. And the second sentence is he was a great writer. So when we join these sentences, the sentence become Charles Dickens wrote Pickwick Papers, who was a great writer. Second, the lady was buying some fruits. She saw a film star standing across the road. The sentence become that lady was buying some fruits, saw a film star standing across the road. Means you skip the she and the from that sentence. And the three sentences is your homework. Now in next exercise, rewrite each sentence as two sentences. Here one sentence is given to us, so we have to rewrite sentence as two sentences. Like first example is, the man who had a broken leg sailed across the ocean. Sentence become, the man had a broken leg, and the second sentence is, he sailed across the ocean. Like that we have to make two sentences from this one. Bring me a glass of water which is cold. So sentence become, bring me a glass of water. This one is the first sentence, and the second is, it is cold. You skip which? From second, the cow that had anthrax died. The first sentence become, the cow had anthrax, full stop, and second one is, it died. So students, and next questions are your homework, so you have to write it.